Now, do you know that you can actually buy and invest in Apple stocks, Tesla stocks, Google stocks, and other top stocks directly on the Bybit app? Now, it's not just crypto anymore on the Bybit app. You can now invest in the stock market on the Bybit app. And right now, Bybit is currently doing a promo where if you buy just $100 worth of Apple stocks, you get $20 in free Apple stock right now. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to buy and invest in stocks on the Bybit app, and I'll also show you how you can get your own $20 Apple stocks bonus in this video. So please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now let's go straight to the point. Now firstly, you will definitely need a Bybit account. So if you don't have a Bybit account, please use the first link in the description of this video or check the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on Bybit. Now once you click on that link, this is where it will bring you to what you have right here on my screen. So once you get to this page, you'll see where you can enter your email address to create your Bybit account, and to show you this referral code, this is the referral code you should be seeing right here. Once you have this referral code, then you are eligible for the free $20 Apple stock bonus that you'll be receiving on Bybit. Now once you've done that, come here to click on get my welcome gift. Now once you click on this get my welcome gift right here, you'll be taken to a page where you can verify your email and also complete your KYC. It takes less than 2 minutes right there. It is quick and fast. So once you verify your account, then you need to go ahead and download the Bybit app and log in with the details you just entered right here. So you log in with your email address, the email address you entered here, and your password. Now once you've done that, let me go to my Bybit account and show you the next thing you need to do. Now once you download the Bybit app and you log into your new account, just come here to where you have deposit, because that's the first thing you need to do. You need to deposit money into your Bybit account. Now to deposit money on Bybit, you can use the P2P option. So I'll just come here and click on deposit, and then I'll come here to where you have P2P trading. So you can use the P2P option to deposit your local currency into the Bybit account. So whichever country you are, you can use the P2P option. So I'll just come here and use P2P. I'll click on it. Now once you're on this page, come here to where you have buy. Make sure it's on buy because you want to buy USDT. Then come here to where you have amount. So enter the amount you want to buy. So let's say for example I want to enter 150,000 naira. I'll just put in 150,000 naira right there. That's a little bit over $100. I'll just click on confirm right there. So once you click on confirm, come here to where you have all payment methods and click the payment method we want to use. So let's say for example I want to use bank transfer. I'll just come here and click on bank transfer right there and click on confirm. Now once you click on confirm, come here to where you have this filter icon right here, click on it. Now one thing I always like to do at this point is to make sure that this one is ticked, show only verified advertisers. I make sure that it is ticked so that I'm trading with people that are verified by Bybit. And then come here to where it says show only eligible ads. So it will show me ads that I'm eligible to trade with. And then you come here to where you have sorted by. So this sorted by, I advise that you click on completion rate. So the reason why you want to do this is to make sure that you are seeing people that are completing their trades at the top, so that it's easy for you to just choose those people and trade with them. So once I've done that, I'll just come here and click on confirm. So as you can see right here, these are the list of people that I can trade with to buy my USDT. Now at this point, you can see the different vendors right here. You can see their orders. So for example, this first person has done 2,988 orders in the last 30 days. And the percentage in that bracket means that the person has completed 100% of those trades in the last 30 days, which is good. So you want to be trading with people that have completed almost all their trades, if not all the trades. I hope you get. So let's say for example, I want to go ahead to trade with this first person. I'll just click on buy right here. So once you click on buy, enter the amount you want to buy. It can be in fiat, it can be in crypto right there. So let's say I want to buy $100, just for example, $100 right there. So $100 means I'll be paying 138,180 naira. And then again, you see bank transfer right here, just to confirm that you are paying through bank transfer. Once you've seen that, just come here and click on buy. And right here on the screen is the account details of the person I want to transfer the money to. So to show you the person's name, bank name, and account number. So I'll go right now to my banking app to transfer this money to the person. If you want to confirm how much you need to transfer, just click on this X. So you can see the amount right here. Fiat amount is 138,180. Please make sure you transfer the exact amount. So I'll do that right now.
A few moments later.
So I have just transferred the money to the person's account details. And please, if you are transferring the money, please make sure that you are transferring directly to that person. Please make sure you confirm the name, the account number, and everything you need to confirm before you send the money. It's very, very important. So once you've done that, just come here to where it says payment completed. Just click on it. And then right here on the screen, you need to upload the payment receipt or the proof of payment right here. So this is it where you can upload it. So I'll go ahead and do that.
A few moments later.
So right there, I just completed the transaction and I have 100 USDT in my funding wallet. So let's check it out. So if you come here to my assets, go to funding. So this funding right here, So let me open it. So I should have nothing less than 100. So you can say I have 110 USDT right there. So the next thing you want to do is to transfer this USDT to your unified trading account, because that's where you want to use it. So just click on transfer right here. Once you click on transfer, you come here to at the top, you're transferring from funding to unified trading account. You're transferring USDT, then you put in the amount you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer, let's say the 110 or maybe $100. Any amount, just go ahead and put it and then click on confirm. And just like that, it has been transferred successfully. Now, to go ahead and buy or invest in any stock of your choice on the Bybit app, come here to where you have trade at the bottom side of the screen. Just click on trade right there. Now, once you get to this trade page, there are different ways you can go ahead to buy the stock you want to buy, but I'll be showing you the different ways. Now, the first one, make sure that you're on the spot trading page. Now, once you get to the spot trading page, come here to where you have this coin. Like I said, if you want to select the coin you want to buy, just click on it. Now, once you click on it, come here to where you have stocks. Can you see where you have stocks right here? X stocks right there. Just click on it. Now, once you click on it, it will show you the different stocks that you can buy on the Bybit app. Now, right here, you have different stocks. You have Nvidia stocks, you have Tesla stocks, you have Google stocks, you have Apple stocks, you have Amazon stocks, and so on right there. Now, let's say, for example, you want to buy Apple stocks with the $100 you just deposited on the Bybit app. Now, remember that I said at the beginning of this video that if you buy a minimum of $100 worth of Apple stocks, Bybit will be giving you $20 worth of Apple stocks for free. So let's use that for example. So I'll just come right here to where I have Apple stocks. I'll just click on it. Now, once you click on it, it will show you the stocks right here. So if you want to go ahead to buy the stocks, you just click on buy. If you want to click on sell, you click on sell right here. So let's say I want to buy $100 worth of Apple stocks. I'll just come here to where I have order value. I'll just put in $100 right there. So that's $100. And once you put that, just click on buy. So I'll just enter buy right there. And then to show you this confirmation so that you can confirm your order, just click on it again. And once you've done that, you bought $100 worth of Apple stock. So let's check it in the wallet. I'll just come here to where you have assets. And then under your asset, you come here to where you have unified trading. So under unified trading is where you see your Apple stock. So you can see my Apple stock right here. So if I open it, so you can see that I have 99 or approximately $100 worth of Apple stocks right there. So you can see right there, I've just invested in Apple stocks on the Bybit app. It's just like as if you're investing in other coins or any other coin on the Bybit app. It's the same way, but for this one, you are now investing in stocks. So you can now start investing in stocks and crypto on the Bybit app. Now, let's say for example, maybe the stocks has gone up, you've held it for a long period of time, you've made profit and you want to sell it too. To sell it, it is simple. Just go back to the spot trading page. Let me show you. Now, right here, just make sure that it is showing you Apple stocks there. Then click on sell. Then once you click on sell, you come here and enter the amount of Apple stocks you want to sell. If you want to sell everything, just move this bar right here, move it to 100%. So you can see it's 100%. That means you are selling everything. But I'm not selling it. I want to leave it right there. Now, for the new users who are creating their Bybit account with the link in the description below. Now, if you want to get your $20 free Apple stocks, there's what you need to do. Just go right to the home page of the app. Go to the home page of the app and click on Rewards Hub. Now, once you click on Rewards Hub, it will show you your $20 Apple stocks reward right there. I can go ahead to claim it. So it is as simple as that. So if you're a new user who just created your Bybit account and followed everything I just showed you in this video, you can go ahead to claim your $20 Apple stocks right there. Now, before I end the video, I also want to let you know that you can also trade the stock market like you are trading futures. So let's say, for example, how you trade BTC USDT in the futures market, you can also do that for stocks too on the Bybit app. And I've talked about that before. It is just on the TradeFi page. So just come here to where you have trade and then go to TradeFi right there. So once you click on TradeFi, this is where you can actually do that if you want to trade the stock market as if you are trading futures on the Bybit app. I have a separate video for this. I've done this already. So if you need it or maybe you want to learn how to do that on the Bybit app, just ask me in the comment section below. I will reply you with the link to that video. So this is the simple way on how to invest in stocks or buy stocks on the Bybit app. It is simple and straightforward. So don't forget, use the first link in the description below, create your account, deposit at least $100, go ahead to buy the stocks and get $20 of free Apple stocks in your wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you want more videos on Bybit, just let me know in the comment section below. I have some videos on Bybit already, and if you want me to create new videos, let me also know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.